Alright, what's up guys? Today we're on the strip right now. Check out this final update on Demolition in the Tropicana, Las Vegas. There's the marquee right there with the neon turned off. There it is, there's the Tropicana. There's the neon right there. On the side you just got a label scar. The Tropic on there, half broken sign. Alright. So I'm gonna go to the other side now so you can see.
No, I can make a U-turn, so I gotta go on that side too.
Well, anyways, there's the Excalibur, their neon, Luxor, and then Mandalay Bay, and the W Hotel now it's called. W's behind there. It used to be the Delano. It's behind that marquee right there. And there's the Luxor Tower and the Luxor Pyramid. It's like 1 in the morning here in Las Vegas. Just wanted to come out here and showcase this. And then I was also at the Flamingo taking some pictures as well, so that was pretty cool.
That's the side of the
Gone right there. And there's got some MGM action here. The lonely marquee in the background right there. So last time I was here when it was still partially demolished. So yeah, last time I was here was when like the towers, they were still up. It was just that it was basically the insides were being gutted at the time, so it was still partially intact. But obviously now it's not even existing. Yeah, it's pretty surreal to see just the MGM in the background. I'm so used to seeing 2 bland white towers right there, but they're gone. So just gonna wait for this light to turn green, and we're gonna view it from another angle here. There's beautiful Las Vegas Boulevard, the Excalibur right there, and we're turning on Reno Drive now. There's another fast look. The Tropicana sign right there.
Way around it,
Right there. It's inside the Tropicana for you. Just literally a glimpse inside. Pause the video if you want to. Inside update on this Tropicana. And so
right side.
okay.
Right there.
Okay. So we're now rolling down the windows here, viewing this. Let's see, there's just a tan wall here. I remember back when I was filming this a few months ago, there was a club tower right here. So there it is. Here's the inside. There's just the view. The dirt lot right there. You see the marquee right there as well. And lots of good stuff. So yeah. Construction area do not enter. Tropicana property demolition. There's just some information on GG's. Now we're gonna come back around here with the Tropicana sign. And this is the same place I was just a few months ago, with the concrete parking lot like structures still up. Here we go. Very vividly remember this photo I was here. Instead it's just a lonely marquee. There's nothing but a flat desert oasis. Next truck. He's got the MGM right there. So yeah, now we're headed back to our hotel room at the Badara. a really nice hotel. And yeah, it's pretty. That's all I got for you. Turning on Tropicana Avenue here. Let's get a look at the New York, the roller coaster. There's your neon right there. Look at that, there's your neon. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video of these past midnight strip views and the very last update of the Tropicana Las Vegas Demolition tour. Okay, so we'll see you guys next time. And yeah, stay tuned for more Las Vegas videos to come, because I have a lot of them. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Bye.